Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to replace the battery in your Dreame H11 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Let's get started. First, using a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver to loosen the screw and remove the handle. Once that's done, take out the rubber cover and metal ring. Next, loosen the screws on the cover and carefully remove the back cover. Now, take out the speaker unit. Followed by the internal cover. With the battery compartment exposed, carefully remove the old battery and replace it with the Sino CS-DRH100VX Battery. Start by connecting the flex cable, then the black wire, and the red wire. Once connected, secure the internal cover back in place with its screws at both ends. Reinstall the speaker unit. And fasten the back cover with its screws. Put back the rubber cover and metal ring. Finally, reinstall the handle, along with the clean water tank and dirty water tank. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Dreame H11 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching.